Have you ever blown bubbles? We like blowing bubbles at home, huh? We're going to make some special bubble solution today. We're going to start with 1.5 cups of water. Then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of dish soap. You put that dish soap in there?
Here?
Yes, right inside. Good. And then we have a 1/4 cup of corn syrup. Go ahead and put that in. Now, will you mix that up for us? Thank you. Now, different items act differently with water. Now, salt is what we call hydrophilic with water. It's friendly with water. So if we put salt into this water and stir it up, you can see that salt is all mixed in. Just kind of looks like water now. Oil is not hydrophilic. Oil is what we call hydrophobic. Phobic is a term we use that means a fear, and hydro means water. And so oil does not mix with water. You can see it's already separating. I can even do some good shaking. But if I set it here, eventually that oil and water will separate again because oil is hydrophobic. Now, soap has a special quality because soap has a hydrophilic side that mixes with water and a hydrophobic side that separates from water. And that's what makes soap so good at taking grease off of things, because grease or oil is hydrophobic, right? So the hydrophobic side of soap is able to attach to that grease or oil, but the hydrophilic side of soap is able to mix with the water. So soapy water is able to clean greasy things in a way that water all by itself can't. Pretty cool, huh? Well, we're going to use this special solution we have with our special soapy ingredient, and we're going to try to blow some special bubbles. I'm going to put this microfiber towel down. I'm going to snip off the end of this pipette, and let's see if we can make some bubbles. This special bubble soap is really strong bubble solution.
Can I try?
You try it. In our story this week, we talked about a woman named Ruth, and she was from the land of Moab. A land of Moab where they worshipped idols, right? They were hydrophobic or phobic with God, right? They weren't connected to him. They had a separation. But then Ruth met Naomi and her family and was introduced to God. And she became hydrophilic with God, connected to God. You know, sometimes we might feel separated from God, but Jesus says, I am the way, the truth, and the life. Jesus is a link that can connect us to God. Start every day with Jesus so that you can be hydrophilic with him.